Okay, using the super filter, try to sort the injection at this. The sorting injection now descending, to descending, to display not display correctly. The score of season 23-24 and after that 22-24. You click on and it should display a few defaults like before sorting. Then I will try to sorting ascending the induction number. Okay, it is this is a default 23-24 and 24-25. Are you seeing scanning thing? But sorting is what works. It doesn't work after using the super filter. So try compare the error staging. Okay, I use the super filter and I check the sorting in the indexable column. This is the default before like sorting here. Then I click injection now. It should display the ascending sorting. Okay, 22, 20, 22, 23, 23. Okay, and I click again. 24, 25. Okay, it display default like the default sorting. So yes, I need to check for all the column after I using the super filter, and I want you to check for another column in the table.